Welcome back to the channel. Living room designed for smart space. Design a living room in a smart space may feel challenge, but it's also an opportunity to get created, maximize effective, and transforming a comfort area into something style, functional, and invite whether you live in a smart apartment, a tiny home, or a home with a natural living room. You can still enjoy a space that look open, comfortable, and beautiful. This gives a way to throw smart layout choose functional select color, light decor, and clean story idea that help make your smart living room feel big and better. Start with a thoughtful layout before add functional and decoration. This most important step is understanding your living room layout. Smart living room benefit for plan even inch skirt. Choose a focal point. Trust or main effective. A TV wall, a long window, a fireplace, a fantastic wall among your functional to enhance and beauty that focal point. Felt the functional. Include of post everything is the wall consider fall one soft and account chair in the central that create the illuminate of sophistication. Simmed and open basic functional profile soft ironless chair open design that allow various under make use of cornered cornered art pro real test in smart room add four lamp plants corner shade select stove soft Furniture that work for smart living room. Choose the right furniture can interior transforming that look or feel of your living room. Choose the right soft over all size deep interior choose. The naming complex two seats profile L shape select modern sofa that can be rolling multifunctional furniture is as look for image that do more than one job. Soft bed for guest, story opportunity, table, branch with story, coffee table that conveys to depth that help your reality cut while main interest unavailable. Your roll furniture, roll coffee table, a sofa soft, the room an important moment for idea for right space. Choose wall moment everything. When possibility, shed TV light mini cabinet color palette that explore the space. Color play a managed role in the away smart living room feel. Soft light and narrative tone. Color light, white, soft gum cream, bring, pasting blue, pillow green, their brightness, the room and created a minimalized armic feel, warm, natural, and a choosy vibrant. If you want warm without having, if you want warm without having open far, optimizing warm table, then make the space feel and white without make it feel close in. Use both color statement. Both color can work, but use theme. Careful, for example, one access wall, a vibrant gum, blue, palette. This add personal wild stem keep the room various open. Your defined shade one of the color help that room various and create harmonium that feel luxury. Maximize natural effective light. Lights can complete change of protective of size. Maximize natural light. And dark use. Shade. Light shade below. Four lights and height and embracing the room. Layout your lights. A smart living room look long than from minimize curtain light, table lamp, four lamp, wall LED, sticking light, TV unit, use referral surface, mirror burn light area the room, make its brightness and various big. A long mirror can double that saving space. Smart story idea for smart living room. Cut is the embrace of smart space. Smart story keep your home functional without feel built in story. Custom build RM store bring state unit help your maximize various space. Full shed. Full shed provide story while keep the room light and Aramic. Add story. Use price that hide behind opportunity. Will line coffee table with compartment. Soft under setting story. Wall to wall cabin. If you have the build of full wall of cabin can transforming a cut room into storyline. Maximize space. Thank you for watching this video.